Hello everyone, how are you? I anticipate you are doing well. You work hard. If you work hard, you will be get success. And let's move on the next topic. Our tenses are over. Total 10, total 10 to 12. 12. I think 12. 12 12 tens are uploaded, so you will be go there and see the video about tenses. If you have no idea about tense, so please like the channel and see the videos. Now move on the unit number 17. The topic is every and all. What is the difference between every and all? I already told you this book is very essential, that's why it's called Essential English Grammar. I think if you believe me, please purchase this book and prepare for English, so you will be definitely gain something. So now move on the lecture every and all. This is a basic thing. This is an exercise. You can do it. You can purchase it. You can purchase it. Now move on the our notebook. Our notebook. Every and all. Every means every house in the street is the same. Every means every house. Individually, you can tell individually. That's why it is doesn't use R. Every house in the street is the same. Every house in the street is equal to, इसको कैसे लिख सकते, all the houses in the street. ठीक है, ऑल और एवरी का यहाँ डिफरेंस आपने समझना है. एवरी एंड ऑल में बहुत ही समझने के फर्क नज़र आपको आएगा. ये ऐसा लगता है एवरीबडी और ऑल सेम ही है. बोल तो लोगे आप एवरीबडी ऑल ऑफ देम, तो बोलने में नहीं, जब आप लिखोगे तो पकड़े जाओगे कि आपने क्या लिखा है. वी यूज एवरी प्लस सिंगुलर नाउन. Allies has been to every country in Europe. Every summer we have holiday by the sea. She looks different every time I see her. Every country has a national flag. Every country has singular. You can see that we use every singular noun. Singular noun. We use every singular noun. Every summer we have holiday by the sea. Every country has a national flag. All countries plural have, singular has, plural have a national flag. It's a different. Every country have नहीं, every country has. If you write down this sentence, you put have, definitely it's a mistake. So be careful. Every house individual. All means plural. ऑल जो है ना, वो लगेगा प्लूरल के साथ, उसके साथ यहाँ पे प्लूरल ही लगेगा. नेशनल फ्लैग. नेशनल फ्लैग. एवरी ऑल कंट्रीज हैव नेशनल फ्लैग. एवरी कंट्री हैज अ नेशनल फ्लैग. इट्स think it's you can understood easily. Now move on the part B. Every day, all day. Every day means on all days. Every day means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All day. On all days, every day. Individual day. All day. Ab all day. It's what's the meaning of this all day? The complete day. Monday, complete day. Monday, all day. Monday, एक पूरा दिन होता है ना 24 घंटे, यानी वो हुआ कंप्लीट डे। एवरी डे यानी ऑल डे, एवरीबडी एंड और एवरीवन, एवरीथिंग, एवरीवेयर प्लेस के लिए होता है ये, तो इट्स इजी। Remember this every and all difference. If you understood, please like the video, share the video.